A great wave show after a storm. Next. Howdy folks, I'm Eric Williams and welcome to CapeCast. The day after a storm can be a great day to get out to the big beaches of the Outer Cape. A lot of times the wind has died down, but the waves are still charged up and the landscape is alive. And who knows, you might find something crazy that the storm has pushed up onto the beach, like treasure or a shipwreck or a whale. You'll never know unless you get out there. Checking out the big beach after storms is a quintessential Cape Cod experience. Get going!